Hey, what's up, family and friends, business partners and such? I want to remind you guys, coming up on June 20th at the Joseph Corporation, 32 South Broadway in Aurora, Illinois. Yours truly, LP, and my team, National Title Solutions, Ida, Champion Insurance, Cassandra Sneed from RE Real Estate, and a couple other good partners. I did mention National Title Solutions, but anyway, you guys, 6 p.m., June 20th, 32 South Broadway. I will be hosting a homebuyer workshop, a Q&A. I encourage you guys to text me at 630-401-9495 or email me at leonard.pollard@homebridge.com to hold your seat. There'll be food and refreshments there and a lot of good information for all of you, okay? Do not be afraid of the truth. Come on out and learn what it takes to become a homeowner and stop making your landlord rich, okay? My better half always says, the truth shall set you free, but first it might just piss you off. So come on out and learn the truth and then do something about it. Fire your landlord. 630-401-9495. Text for a seat. Email leonard.pollard@homebridge.com. June 20th, mark your calendars, June 20th, 6 p.m. at 32 South Broadway at the Joseph Corporation in Aurora, Illinois, and a special guest speaker, someone who holds a very powerful seat in the city of Aurora. Guess who that might be? Hope to see you there.